Forgotten username recovery failed on Coinbase App Fix. If you're locked out of Coinbase, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping essential verification steps. You won't believe how simple it can be to recover your username when you follow the correct process. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app or visit the login page. Then select Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your Coinbase account. Coinbase will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered, causing unnecessary frustration. Avoid sending multiple requests too quickly, as this may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent transaction history. Contact Coinbase support directly with this information for faster recovery. Providing a linked phone number also helps speed up verification. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds extra security and prevents future login issues. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Coinbase account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are crucial for keeping your cryptocurrency safe and accessible.